Hey, what's up, guys? Bobby here. Welcome back to Pip Syndicate. I want to go over this trade that I took yesterday. Yesterday was Friday, right? It was March 21st. And we took a gold trade. And I just want to show you this trade because it's a good example of the way I trade now. So here it goes, guys. I took this trade in the morning. Let me see what time it was. It was 9:37, so it was right after New York opened. Let me just forward the candles a little. Okay, I'm waiting for an entry on gold. I've got an area here that I'm interested in. You can see it came right to my zone. See how it's touching my zone? Right here when it touched, I entered. Okay, I had these marked out. I use an indicator that marks these out for me. So this is what happened then. I would play it out. Okay, you can see here it went against me. All right. So now what I did was, you see this goal line, I marked another area. I said, okay, if I trade the way I trade, guys, it's like a grid. It's not really a grid. It's like a hybrid of a grid strategy because a grid strategy is usually done with a robot. And you're usually entering like every 20, 30, 40, 50 pips, whatever you have it set for. But I just do it by structure. So I'll pick a spot down here and say, okay, if it comes down to here, I'm taking another entry. I'll be taking another buy here. So needless to say, it did come down. Let's play it out. So I'm just waiting now. I'm in a buy here. I'm in drawdown. I've got no stop loss. Now, I do this every day, guys, live. So come trade with us every morning. Like the video and subscribe. And come trade with us. You'll see what I mean. When you start off, you can start on a demo or, even a small account with a 0.01 lot size and practice a little bit for a month. You'll be doing – this is a great way to compound your account, especially – look, if you're already making money trading, this probably ain't for you. But this way of trading has really grown my account, man. And I made a video where I proved that last year I traded with a 96% win rate. It was better than 96%. And I'll show it to anybody. Again, I'll show it in my back office if anyone doubts it. All right, so it's coming down. I can see it's coming down. I'm just waiting to enter. Sorry, guys. I got a bit of an allergy. All right, so when it comes down, I get in here. I put my box. Now, what I do is when I put my box, well, let me just explain first. I took another entry here, right? So now I'm looking for another spot here. As soon as I take that entry, I'm like, okay, let's see. But I'm always have another spot ready in case it keeps coming down. I'll take another buy down here. No stop loss because I trade with a small lot size, guys. I'll have like 5 trades like this running a day on different pairs. And my lot size I recommend is about 0.01 for every $1,500 to $2,000 in your account. Okay, now you're trading gold. We trade US 30 and we trade NAS mostly on the live stream. So, if you're trading with a 0.05, you can make a couple $100 a day and just keep compounding your account, The bigger your account is, the better. The more you can make. But yeah, so I got in here, right? I drew my box. Let me show you my box. Okay, now what I usually do is I bring it right up into profit from the first trade. Okay, so I'll close when we're up here and the first trade's in profit. I'll close this one. Some people say, why do you close? Just let it keep going. Let them both keep going. I usually close. Sometimes I do let them keep going. If this starts marching up and it's obviously just going to keep going, I won't close. I'll just hold. But if it's, messing around, because this is a major zone here. That's why I took the trade here to begin with, So it's usually going to come up here. It'll bounce back down. So I usually just close. I close full right here. And I wait because this way, if it comes down here again, I'll enter again. I'm not going to take it and draw down all the way back down. I'll take those pips, put it in the bank, and then I'll watch it. All right. So anyway, guys, this is what happened. Right, we went into profit. Now it's Friday. Let me speed this up a little bit. Hold on a second. Let's go a little quicker. Is that quicker or no? Should be quicker. It's a little quicker. So what happens now? The day's going on. I'm going about my business. I've got an alarm set. I had an alarm set down here for if it went down to another zone, and up here so I could close. You can see it's moving real slow. I usually don't like trading Fridays. I especially don't like getting caught in trades because the volume dies down. It really dies down, as the day goes on. If you're stuck in a trade after 12 o'clock on Friday, man, sometimes it could just be brutal. So what happens, guys, is I end up getting full profit here. Let me just speed it up a little. And yeah, that's what happened. I got the alarm. I was out with my wife. I got the alarm that we were at full profit. So I closed it. I announced it in the Facebook group. Guys, I have a Facebook group. Go to my channel. You can watch this trade live when I took it, when I entered it. I didn't stay on all day. I told everybody I took this entry. Then I told everybody to go to the Facebook group. If I was going to take another entry, I would post it in there. But we didn't need another entry. It just went into a little drawdown here. Then it just went up. So it was 2 entries. Now you can see it just went on all day, man. That's more like it, huh? See it consolidating right here. This is a nice indicator I use, guys. It marks these zones. Beautiful indicator. It's free indicator. It's called Fluid Trades, SMC Light, man. I recommend it. Okay, so right about there, my alarm went off. Or it might have been after. But anyway, needless to say, I closed that second trade. Then I kept the first one open for a little bit. I was just watching, but I ended up closing the original trade just like 10 or 12 pips in profit. So it was a win on both trades. But both trades ended up being a win. Now, why did I close the second one? It was Friday. I don't want to hold it over the weekend. It was in profit, only 10 pips, but what started out, right? I probably would have took this original trade. I probably would have had a TP like 30 pips depending. Let me go a little higher time frame. So probably like right here. I probably would have put TP1 like right there, or maybe at the bottom of this fair value gap. All right, so that right there is like 44 pips. So we'll call it 40 pips. I probably would have took like 3/4 profit right there and moved my stops into profit. But because the trade went against me, which is what usually happens, guys. If the trade goes against me, we usually make more money. We almost always do, man. I ended up with like 215 pips. Just straight up 215 pips. All right, guys. So that's the way it works, man. No stop loss. Come trade with us. You'll see I haven't lost a trade on Man, last week we probably won like 6 trades. I don't remember the last time we lost a trade, guys, really. The last 4 weeks in a row, we've just been killing it, man. But yeah, so come on, join me, guys. 9 o'clock in the morning, Monday to Friday. I might start doing afternoons. And yeah, man. We usually trade NAS. This was gold. I don't know. NAS wasn't moving good yesterday, so I looked at gold and I decided to enter right here. There's like a nice zone here. All right, guys. So anyway, that's it, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Here's a win we took the other day. Or Friday. Maybe I took it Friday. I don't remember. But anyway, guys, I'll see you Monday morning, 9 a.m., man. Come join us. All right, guys. No stop loss, man. Stop losses is for chickens. I'm only kidding. All right, guys. I'll see you Monday morning, man. Cheers. Have a great weekend on purpose, guys. God bless you. And I'll see you on the live stream, man. Thanks, guys.